Graphs of limits involving infinity. Infinity is denoted by this symbol, and we call this the landscape. Now, there are four possibilities for limits involving infinity. 1. The limit of a function as x approaches positive infinity is equal to some value L. 2. The limit of a function as x approaches negative infinity is equal to some value L. Number 3. The limit of a function as x approaches some value a is equal to infinity. Number 4. The limit of a function as x approaches some value a is equal to negative infinity. Now, take a look at these examples. Number 1. The limit of a function as x approaches 3 from the positive side. Now look at the black arrow. It indicates that the direction of x is going from the right side, and this is what we call the positive side, approaching 3. Now, look at the red arrow. It indicates infinity. Therefore, the value of the limit of a function as x approaches 3 from the positive side, as indicated by this graph, is equal to infinity. Number 2. The limit of a function as x approaches 5 from the negative side. Now, look at the black arrow. It indicates that x is coming from the left side, and this is what we call the negative side. As it approaches 5 is equal to, now look at this, 1. The value of this limit is equal to 1. So you can see there is 1. Example number 3. The limit of a function as x approaches negative 4 from the negative side. Now, look at the black arrow. Again, it is starting from the left side and going to the right. As it approaches 4 from the negative 4, rather, from the negative side. And this is equal to, now look at the red arrow. It is pointing downward, and we say that this is negative infinity. Number 4. The limit of a function as x approaches negative 2 from the positive side. Now, look at the red arrow. It is pointing to the positive infinity. And so, this limit is equal to positive infinity. Or we write simply infinity. Example number 5. The limit of a function as x approaches infinity. Now, x is approaching infinity there. And what is this value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is equal to 4. Number 6. The limit of a function as x approaches negative infinity. Now x is going to the negative side of infinity, and it is on the left side. And this value is equal to what? And this is equal to 1, 2. And this is equal to